Order fulfillment must be efficient and flawless in order to run a successful retail business. Shopify POS offers integrated shipping solutions in collaboration with shipping partners to expedite the fulfillment process and decrease manual activities. By integrating shipping capabilities directly into the POS system, shops may streamline order processing, automate shipping label generation, and improve customer satisfaction. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS, emphasizing how they streamline the fulfillment process, boost operational efficiency, and promote business growth. Streamlining order processing. Integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS streamline the order processing workflow for retailers. Shopify POS allows shops to generate shipping labels directly from the point-of-sale system by working with shipping suppliers. This interface eliminates the need for human data entry and decreases the chance of errors during the shipping label production process. Retailers may automatically obtain customer shipping information from their Shopify orders, ensuring precise and consistent data transfer. Furthermore, integrated shipping solutions give retailers access to a number of delivery options and pricing. Retailers can evaluate shipping rates from several carriers right within Shopify POS, allowing them to select the most cost-effective and dependable shipping method for each purchase. Creating shipping labels on autopilot. The integrated shipping solutions in Shopify POS streamline the process of generating shipping labels, streamlining the fulfillment process for shops. Retailers can rapidly create shipping labels and move orders from the processing stage to the shipment stage with a few mouse clicks. By automating shipping label generation, merchants save time and reduce manual labor. This allows them to concentrate on other critical responsibilities such as inventory management, customer service, and business expansion. Integrated shipping solutions also make it possible to print shipping labels directly from Shopify POS. Retailers may generate shipping labels, print them on label printers, and attach them to packages all from the same system. This eliminates the need for additional label printing software or manual handwriting of shipping information, assuring efficiency and professionalism in the fulfillment process. Order tracking and notifications in real time. Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions give real-time order monitoring and notifications, increasing transparency and customer happiness. Once a shipping label is prepared, retailers can automatically update the order status with tracking information. Customers receive email updates with tracking information, allowing them to track the progress of their orders. This real-time order monitoring function keeps customers informed and reduces inquiries regarding order progress, increasing customer happiness and decreasing customer care workload. Retailers can also benefit from order tracking functionality within Shopify POS. They can track the status of sent orders, conveniently access tracking information, and proactively address any potential delivery concerns. This level of information helps retailers to provide great customer care, quickly fix delivery issues, and ensure a smooth fulfillment experience. Integration and scalability. Shopify POS integrated shipping solutions interact smoothly with common shipping providers like UPS, FedEx, DHL, and USPS. Retailers can effortlessly connect their Shopify store to their preferred shipping providers, assuring consistent and real-time shipping information. The scalability of integrated shipping systems allows organizations of all sizes to benefit from these features. Retailers, whether running a tiny online boutique or a large-scale retail operation, may expedite their fulfillment process, decrease manual duties, and deliver a uniform shipping experience to their customers. Integrated shipping options in Shopify POS enable companies to expedite the fulfillment process, decrease manual duties, and increase customer happiness. Retailers may improve their operational efficiency, save time, and focus on developing their business by streamlining order processing, automating shipping label creation, and offering real-time order tracking and notifications. With seamless integration and scalability, Shopify POS's integrated shipping solutions provide retailers with the resources they need to provide a seamless and professional shipping experience, increasing customer loyalty and business success in the competitive retail industry.